the Snap-on Sun ATL Roller brake test. Now the equipment used here is very useful because it all operates from effectively a PC, so you can see the screen there, but linked with the screen is a kind of tablet PC that you can take inside the car, so it's really useful to be able to control just about everything from that one source, including accessing the DVSA MOT testing system. So at this stage Matt's just removing the safety covers from the rollers. Obviously we keep those covered up most of the time when not in use, and we bring in the car in and we'll drop the front wheels of this car into the rollers ready for doing the test. Get it lined up with the centre of the rollers, of course. Okay, now we go in position. Now using the laptop or tablet controller from inside the car, Matt's just setting up the details of what the braking force should be and that type of thing, and whether it's got one axle, two axles, which axle the brake is on, that type of thing. And then you can see here the same information comes up on the screen as he's doing it, or alternatively you can set it up using the keyboard in the way that he's doing here. Okay, we've just about got everything set in place now. There's also a remote control that you can use for the mouse in that case. So here we go. Now that's the left-hand side brake test undergoing checking at the moment, so we can't see that, so we know that that's going to be okay, and you can hear it stop at that point. And now we'll move across to the one that we're looking at here and carry out the test. There we go. So you can see now as he starts to apply the brakes, good grip on these rollers to stop the tyres from skidding. And again it locked up, which is always a good sign. Okay, so you can now see on the laptop that he's using inside the car, the results appear as it's being carried out. So now we're going to move back and check the rear brakes. You can see on the screen in the picture the result as he's applying the brakes at that point. And again the same result is reflected on the large screen. So checking the other side now. We're still working on the front brakes here as it happens, but we're just taking a different look at it so you can see the different methods of operating the system. The whole point of the ATL, of course, is that one person can operate it. Okay, so far so good. Make the setup now for the rear brakes. And off we go, checking the brakes, and let's see whether these ones lock up. And there we go. Check the results on the screen, and that's it. The ATL Roller brake tester.